Okay. Okay. My son got new sunglasses and he refuses to take them off. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm a little hungover. I gotta put some good stuff in my body. Today I'm gonna make a quick salad for myself and my wife. Feta cheese, herbe de Provence, romaine lettuce, super simple. Come watch. First thing you wanna do is take your romaine and cut it nice and thin. This is 2 heads of romaine. Next thing, I'm gonna take 3 green onions, chop these up. Goes in. Next, chop in the dill. This is like 1 whole pack. Chop this up nice. Okay. Dill goes in the salad. Next, good old feta cheese, baby. How much feta you want, Allison?
Lots of feta.
Lots of feta. All right.
Yeah.
Feta goes in. Now the dressing, the juice of 1 whole lemon and about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. The pièce de résistance is going to be herbe de Provence. This is an amazing blend. One of my favorite spices that we do. Go for it. Pick this up online. SmokeShowSauce.com. Bada bing, bada boom. Last but definitely not least, Bunny. Last but not least, Bunny. Sorry, my son's being loud. Hot sauce. You have to spice it up a little bit. Just go for it. Mix that all together and you enjoy it with your family. What in God's name? What in God's name? All right, toss the salad. Finished. Smoke Show, feta, jalapeno, herbe de Provence salad, whatever you want to call it. It's amazing. It's a must-have. Go for it. Now we'll serve it up. Serve it up. Okay, so my wife reminded me that I forgot to put salt and pepper. Obviously goes without saying. Salt and pepper to taste. Lunch is served. Allison, your lunch is served, wife. You need a fork. Good?
Really perfect.
You will stay with me? You choose to remain my wife? Amazing. Amazing. Coco,
10 on 10.
Chief Logistics Officer. All right, guys. As always, you can find this recipe on our website. Thank you for watching. Tune in next week where we eat baby food with Sunny. Okay, thank you. Bye.